Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Gemini CLI in VS Code. So I'm going to show you all the process. So we have two different ways to do this. One is by using an extension and another one is using terminal. So I'm going to show you both of this way. So let's go for the first way. For this you have to actually install VS Code at first. Let me go to the browser and let me show you how you can actually get VS Code. So if you type VS Code in in the browser, then you can see visualstudio.com we have here. So you can click in the first link and then it will actually took you to the VS Code download page. From here you can see a different operating system. Now select according to your operating system, okay, and then download this. I already have this, so I'm not going to download this once again. Let me show you another way to install this. Let's say you don't want to actually install it from here. You can actually install it from Microsoft Store. So you have to actually go for the Microsoft Store and then go for VS Code, same VS Code, okay. You just have to install it, and here you go, Visual Studio Code, and you just have to actually install it. That's it. So I have this Visual Studio Code, so I'm going to now open this and let me show you. This is the Visual Studio Code interface. So here by default color should be something else, but I have actually changed the color by going here settings, then themes, then color theme, and then I have choose red from here. You can actually go with the system default directory, okay. So this is the default interface. And now the first option is using an extension. So let's go for the extension section here. You can see, and here we're going to search for Gemini Code Assistant, okay, assistant. If you search it, then you can see Gemini Code Assistant, and this is from google.com, okay. Make sure it's from google.com, but forget about this rating. Actually I don't know why this rating is too little, but it's okay, we can actually use it because this is from google.com, okay. So click here, install, trust it, and it will take some time to install it. All right guys, we got this page. It means we have successfully installed it, and when you will install this, under this extension section there will be a Gemini Code Assistant option, you can see. So we can actually go there, okay, and then we can click here sign in. So we are going to open it. Basically you have to actually log into your Gmail account, okay. Here you can see authentication successful. All right, okay guys, the client is no longer supported for Gemini Code Assistant for individuals. So we can actually now get this extension here, because now they have Google anti-gravity, so we cannot actually use this extension. So unfortunately we cannot use this extension, sorry for this. Now let's go for the second option. So let's go for the second option. For the second option you have to actually go for the terminal here in the VS Code, and then terminal, new terminal. But here you can see currently we are in specific folder test Gemini CLI. I don't actually want to be there, so I'm going to delete this and I'm going to remove this project from here. And now I will go for terminal once again and click here new terminal. Now we are in the default user folder, right? And here we are going to write down a command, and that is npm space install, then space -g space at google/Gemini -CLI. Now if you write down this command, then Gemini CLI will install here. But here you can see we have npm here. So if you want to install through package installer like npm, you have to have Node.js in your PC. So let's go to the browser at first and go for the Node.js. So I'll go for Node.js official site. If I search it on the browser, then I will find here nodejs.org. I'll go there. We can click here download to go to the download page. From here we're going to select any of the version and then click here .msi. Then it will start installing. It will download and then you just have to install it, okay. And then you can run this command. So let's go back VS Code and you can run this command now. I'll run this, hit enter. Here you can see it is installing. All right guys, we have this. Now you can see added 7 package. Now I want to access Gemini, okay. So to access Gemini, we can say here Gemini and we'll hit enter. So do you want to connect VS Code to Gemini CLI? We'll say yes. and installing ID companion. Failed to install VS Code companion extension. Please try installing Gemini CLI companion manually from the VS Code extension marketplace. So for this, we have to actually install Gemini CLI companion manually, but this is not necessary. We'll just go for the trust folder. We'll hit enter. Here we go. Now we are going to sign in with the Gemini. So I'll say yes. Now we are going to allow it. And let's go back to the browser, sign in with the account. Authentication successful. All right, here you can see now the service is not available here. We have to actually continue with Google Anti-Gravity, right? So I have installed here Google Anti-Gravity. Now let's go to the Google Anti-Gravity. If you don't know how to install Google Anti-Gravity in your PC, I will make another video for this. And in the right side, you can see we have advanced section here. And from here, we can choose any Gemini model you can see. So we don't have to actually install extension, okay? Gemini Code Assistant. Because here we have, Gemini models here you can see. That is why actually they have anti-gravity, right? Anti-gravity ID. So if you have any kind of issue like this, you have to actually use anti-gravity. So if you don't know how to install anti-gravity in your PC, I will make another video for this. For now, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.